Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious child named Lily. She had heard stories about the enchanted forest that lay beyond the mountains, a place where magic danced through the air and every choice led to a different adventure. One sunny morning, with her heart full of wonder, Lily decided to explore the forest herself. As she entered, the trees whispered her name, their leaves shimmering with golden light. The path before her split into 3 winding trails. A signpost stood in the center, its arrows pointing to the river of reflections, the Garden of Giggles, and the Cave of Courage. Intrigued, Lily chose the path to the river of reflections. As she approached the sparkling waters, she saw her reflection smiling back, but it wasn't just a normal reflection. It began to talk, sharing secrets of her heart, her dreams, and her fears. She realized the river could read her thoughts and help her understand herself better. Feeling enlightened, she continued her journey. Next, she followed the trail to the Garden of Giggles, where flowers burst into laughter, filling the air with joy. Each petal told a joke, and Lily couldn't help but laugh along. The laughter was contagious, lifting her spirits and making her feel light as air. She danced among the flowers, feeling happier than she'd ever felt before. Finally, she braved the path to the Cave of Courage. Inside, shadows loomed, whispering doubts and fears. But as Lily faced them, a warm light grew within her, illuminating the darkness. Her courage chased the shadows away, and she stood tall, proud of her newfound bravery. Exiting the cave, she found herself back at the forest's edge. The sun was setting, painting the sky with hues of pink and gold. As she looked back, the forest shimmered, almost as if it was waving goodbye. She knew she'd never forget the magical adventures and the lessons she had learned. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support helps me create more amazing content for you, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's grow this community together. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.